Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making venison London broil with chimichurri. This recipe takes 25-minute plus 4-hour marinade to prep and 20 minutes to cook. Serves 6 to 8 and is easy difficulty. Ingredients: 3 pounds venison top round, 1/4 cup olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, salt and pepper, 1 cup fresh parsley, 1/4 cup fresh oregano, 4 cloves garlic, 1/3 cup olive oil, 3 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and salt to taste. Step 1. Marinating. Combine oil, garlic, vinegar, salt, and pepper. Marinate venison 4 to 24 hours refrigerated. Step 2. Chimichurri. Combine all chimichurri ingredients and let stand at room temperature for 30 minutes. Step 3. Grilling. Preheat grill to high heat. Grill venison 6 to 7 minutes per side for food safety. Step 4. Resting. Rest meat 10 minutes before slicing. Step 5. Slicing. Slice very thin against the grain at 45-degree angle. And that's how you make venison London broil with chimichurri. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.